Hey there, family, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. Have you been eating a lot of crappy food? Feeling sluggish, tired? Are you looking like this? Maybe this? Yeah. You can't do that. Remember back in the 20th century we were little, we were in school, and they taught us you are what you eat? It's true, isn't it? What if I told you you can eat something that's healthy and it's actually anti-aging? It'll revitalize you, rejuvenate you. Interested? I know you are. Come along, I'll give you the list of foods and I'll give you some ideas on how to add them to your meals during the day, every day. Here's the list of superfoods and how they fight aging naturally. 1. Berries. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries can help fight free radicals and support skin health. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are high in vitamins A, C, E, and K, which can protect the skin and improve its elasticity. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which can help keep the skin hydrated and protect against sun damage. 4. Avocado. High in healthy fats and vitamins E and C, avocado can promote smooth, hydrated skin. 5. Sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes can act as a natural sunblock and help prevent skin aging. 6. Green tea. Known for its antioxidant properties, green tea can help protect the skin from damage and aging. Now you know the superfoods that are beneficial for skin health and overall well-being, but how do you add them to your daily meals? I got you. Here's some easy and delicious ways to include these powerhouse ingredients into your diet. 1. Berries. For breakfast, start your day with a berry-packed smoothie or top your oatmeal or yogurt with a mix of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. What about a snack? Well, keep some fresh or frozen berries on hand for a quick and easy snack. You can also mix them into a homemade trail mix. Dessert? Well, use berries to make healthy desserts like mixed berry salads with a drizzle of honey or a berry sorbet. 2. Leafy greens. Of course, there's your salad. Create a base for your salads by using a variety of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Also, add in other colorful veggies, nuts, and seeds for a nutrient-packed meal. What about a smoothie? You can incorporate spinach or kale into your morning or afternoon smoothie. They blend well with fruits like bananas and pineapples, which mask the taste of the greens. Or a side. Saute leafy greens with garlic and olive oil for a simple and healthy side dish. You can also add them to soups and stews. 3. We have nuts and seeds. A quick and easy snack is just a small bag of almonds, walnuts, or a mix of your favorite nuts and seeds for a quick snack. They're also great as a topping for salads and soups. At breakfast, sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds over your breakfast cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. They add a nice crunch along with a nutritional boost. And baking. Add ground nuts or seeds into your baking recipes for added texture and nutrients, such as in breads, muffins, and pancakes. 4. The almighty avocado. What about toast? Avocado toast is a simple, nutritious breakfast or snack. Mash avocado on whole grain bread and top with tomatoes, salt, and pepper. In a salad, dice avocado and add it to salads for creaminess and a dose of healthy fats. And a dressing. Use avocado to make creamy salad dressings and sauces without the need for dairy. 5. Sweet potatoes. As a side, roast your sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite spices for an easy and healthy side dish. You can also have sweet potatoes as a main course. Use them as the base for vegetarian curries or stews. They add sweetness and thickness to the dish. And breakfast. Add sweet potatoes into your breakfast by making sweet potato hash or adding them to smoothies for extra fiber and nutrients. 6 is the green tea. That's a beverage, so you can replace your morning or afternoon coffee with a cup of green tea for a healthy dose of antioxidants. What about in a smoothie? Brew some green tea and let it cool. Then use it as the liquid base for your smoothie. In cooking, use brewed green tea as a cooking liquid for grains like rice to infuse them with antioxidants. Adding these foods into your daily meals not only supports skin health, but also contributes to overall well-being, making them ideal choices for us vintage women over 50 who are looking to maintain our vitality and youthfulness. Well, family, what do you think about that list? Are there some foods on there that you know about that help you feel better, rejuvenate you, revitalize you? Leave a comment, let us know. It'll help someone else who's watching this video or looking at the comments. It may also give me an idea for a new video. If you haven't already, like this video and share it with other vibrant women over 50. We could all use a helping hand, right? Thank you so much for spending time with me. I'll link another video talking about the benefits of magnesium. That has helped me so much, that and evening primrose, dealing with the hot flashes as I'm going through menopause. And if you're going through it, you know you have some hot flashes too. So I appreciate you all. And don't forget, don't stop loving yourself. Don't stop educating yourself and learning how you can be the best version of you. I'll see you in the next video and/or podcast, family. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.